Do you frequently fill up your car's gas tank and wonder why you pay so much every week even though you don't use your car that often? Well, the problem might be the size of your rims. When the car has bigger rims, the tires have more friction with the ground. As such, the vehicle requires more energy to move. So, the larger your rims, the more gas you'll burn. Wheel rims have their own characteristics, which are shaped mainly by the manufacturing process. The manufacturing process has two main parts: rim manufacturing and disc manufacturing. Rim manufacturing is where a large steel plate becomes a solid rim to serve as a seat for tires through cutting, welding, roll forming, and valve hole punching. Disc manufacturing is the process of making the disc that connects the rim to the hub of the vehicle by going through the blanking, drawing, and hole punching steps. After the assembly and final tests, the wheel rims are ready to cruise around town. Now, go and check your vehicles to see if they have unnecessarily big rims. If they do, feel free to get a smaller one so that you make sure your vehicle doesn't consume too much energy. Just remember, the smaller the wheel rims, the less damage you cause to your wallet and the environment.